Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is excellent opportunity for all the 2026 passing students with London Stock Exchange Group, and it's one of the biggest campus hiring which is happening as of now. So this is the company called LSEG, which is London Stock Exchange Group, right? And London Stock Exchange Group is basically global provider of financial market data and infrastructure, and it's headquartered in London, UK. So it's a London-based company, and it was earlier known as Refinitiv, and it's a public listed company, as you saw, FTSE and LSE, and started in 2007. So it's an 18-year-old company which is there in financial markets, infrastructure, stock exchange, data analytics, clearing. So its 2024 revenue was around 8.8 billion pound, so which is very good, and it was approximately $10 billion plus, and then operating income is also 3 billion pound, right? You can see here. And now talking about the main website, so it's called lseg.com. So in terms of total number of employees in 2023, figure was around 25,600 in it. Latest figures are not available, but easily it will be about 26 to 27,000 employees globally. So now let's talk about the position with London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG. You can see lseg.myworkdays.com/careers. Opportunity which I'm showing is called Associate Software Engineer, which you can apply. So this position is currently open, and it's open at Bangalore. So that is RMZ Infinity Park, which is there in Bangalore, and this is full-time position, and it was posted just 2 days back, and the job requisition code is R01111882. And so they have shared this they wanted to share that LSEG in India is one of the great place to work certified. So they have got the recognition as certified between June 25 to 26. That's the best company, one of the best company to work in India. And they are now seeking motivated and diligent, hardworking associate software developer. So that is the role which they are offering: associate software developer to design and develop innovative technology solutions that replace manual process and enhance operational efficiency. So the role is for maintaining existing systems, collaborating with the cross-functional teams, and building scalable automated solutions to streamline business workflows. So the key responsibilities here will be basically design and develop, maintain software applications and tools to automate complete manual process. Hope you understood. Handle, process, and manipulate large data sets using advanced SQL queries and programming techniques. You also need to develop and maintain relational databases, stored procedures, and data servers basically. Next is like creating user interface, your UI user interface for internal users. So to simplify the routine task and build automated pipelines for ingesting and processing data. And you have to also collaborate with business and content teams to identify difficulties and propose technical solutions. You have to develop POCs are nothing but proof of concepts, dashboards, and visualizations with all the supporting documents that is required. You will also participate in code reviews, testing, and deployment process. And you have to work with global teams under supervision of support and ongoing development and maintenance products. Now, very important, what is the required skills and qualifications, right? So they are looking bachelor's degree in computer science, comma engineering. Any engineering branch is fine, or a related field. So any CSC or CSE, ECE, mechanical, civil, electrical, all the branches students can apply. Technical skills, good command for SQL and the relational database design, right? So that what is required. And then proficiency in ASP.NET, MVC frameworks, web API development, experience with UI UX design for the web and desktop applications, familiarity with GitLab, Git pipeline, Jenkins, yes. So this is familiarity. You don't need to have complete experience, only familiarity. Understanding of RESTful APIs, GraphQL. If you have any exposure to cloud platforms like Amazon or Azure is plus. Basic understanding of Java and working knowledge of Python is what they are expecting. Now let's also talk about the soft skills which are required part of this job role. So definitely strong analytical and problem solving abilities are required, and excellent written and verbal communication. That is also one of the requirements. Also, you should be able to communicate technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, right? And then eager to learn new technologies. That is what is required here. And so if you want to join this innovation team, which is already doing a lot of innovation, quality, and continuous improvement, I'll explain how to apply. So basically, this you will be part of one of the 25,000 plus people company, which is in 65 countries. So their size and business is quite good and diverse workforce you will find from all over the world here. Now here I'm talking about the direct link, how you can apply. So lseg.myworkdaysjob.com /India Bangalore, and your base location RMZ Infinity Profile Associate Software Engineer, job code R01118821, which is what I have described just now. So that's all you have to apply, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all the new openings for the freshers and others. Take care.